Bitcoin's uptrend continues to put in higher highs and higher lows. What are the next levels to watch for Bitcoin? Well, in today's video, I want to discuss that exact topic with you. My name's Lark. I make videos talking about investing. If you like that topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And of course, hit that thumbs up button if you do enjoy this kind of content. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Now, before we get into the charts, I just want to share this with you here. So this is just a fascinating chart that I found. So basically, this is Bitcoin addresses a balance greater than one Bitcoin. So that's the blue here, continuing to increase up and up and up. And this here is the price. So the fascinating thing is, as the price has been going down, accumulation has been speeding up massively. And the more the price goes down, the more accumulation spikes for Bitcoin. People are taking this opportunity to get themselves a whole coin, which I absolutely love. Also the percent balance on exchanges for Bitcoin just keeps dropping. We keep seeing Bitcoin being taken off of exchanges, put into cold wallets, and just people hodling it. This is awesome stuff to see. Price keeps going down, people keep on buying. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the charts. So very interesting charts here that we're seeing. So we are seeing this situation where we keep getting these higher lows coming in, higher low, higher low, higher low, and well, potentially higher low. We'll see how this plays out over the next few days, but it would have to come down quite a gosh darn way to invalidate the higher lows. We could come all the way down to, $21,000 and still have a higher low in here for Bitcoin. We're also putting in higher highs continually here for Bitcoin. So we see this here. Now again, we want to see a new higher high being put in soon, and we can then count that as the higher low. But that could come down here and still go back up here and still maintain that market structure of an uptrend. That's what Bitcoin's in right now. We are in this uptrend currently. So this is actually, I think, pretty encouraging to be seeing right now for Bitcoin, where we are continuing to see this uptrend continuing along nicely, continue our market structure of those higher lows and higher highs. Of course, we did have this beautiful bounce in late July off of this key area of price support in here. Came up, of course, we have failed our initial test on the 50-day exponential moving average. We had a fake out above it, and now once again, we find ourselves back there trying to get over the 50-day exponential moving average. Now, this is just like the first step, the first line in trying to talk about, okay, how serious is this relief rally going to get? What kind of price targets can we really start to talk about? And if we get a decent volume close over the 50-day exponential moving average, well, then we start to talk about some interesting areas for the price of Bitcoin. Obviously, our next area that I think will be of particular interest will be $25,500. That lines up right here with this crazy, crazy wick that came down here on the 12th of May. So it's an interesting area of demand for Bitcoin. Moving up from there, $26,500, that's where we start to challenge the 100-day exponential moving average. And I think the real big zone, as we discussed before, $28,000. That's probably the most likely. This is where we want to see the relief rally going target. Now, if we can close over that and get any kind of significant movement upwards, well, then we may actually start to challenge the wider downtrend in the cryptocurrency market. But I think $28,000 is going to be an area where you see a lot of people starting to carve off profits. A lot of people starting to say, well, this has been a nice relief rally, but I'm going to cash out a little bit here and wait for the potential next leg down. I'm going to give you a video in the next couple of days talking about some of the big things about why we could still see another big leg down for, well, all markets really. But until that happens, we have this nice little relief rally going. The uptrend is continuing. And this key area of price support down here, if we come in even just a little bit above that, would still count as a higher low for Bitcoin. So pretty interesting on the daily charts here. I also want to take a minute to talk about the weekly charts for Bitcoin, just to talk a little bit about the RSI actually, because this is a pretty interesting one here for me. See this RSI downtrend, we talked about this with Ethereum the other day, but the charts are looking pretty similar between Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, the top two cryptocurrencies. Together, they really make up like 75–80% of all of crypto. Now, Bitcoin alone, 40% market dominance, but Ethereum, about 20% market dominance. But if you count all the stuff that Ethereum supports, the stable coins, the oracles, the NFTs, et cetera, the value of the Ethereum ecosystem is about 35 to 40%, I would say, as an estimate of the entire cryptocurrency market cap. So the movements of these two coins are the most important for understanding the broader moves in the cryptocurrency space. Anyway, we are in this downtrend still for the RSI, and we're still pretty far away from breaking it. Remember, this was a great value time here to be stacking up Bitcoin when we did see that oversold status on the RSI on the weekly. But if we want to talk about breaking out of the downtrend, well, we got a long way to go. Probably really want to get back over the 50 line. That would be the line to beat, I would say, to say, hey, we're something's really going on here. We're really in an uptrend. But this rally could take us all the way up here to test the bottom of this downtrend line. And, that would take us up to $28,000 or something like that, and we would still be in a broader downtrend in the market. So this is the point I want to make here, is that with this relief rally, we can see prices get really exciting. We can see prices get so exciting, everybody starts to go, wow, this is the new real deal, the new bull run's on, and then we get smashed back down. So until we break out of this RSI downtrend, and of course, until we break out of the downtrend on the price charts, which would likely coincide with one another, not necessarily, but likely. Again, these are some much higher levels, some key downtrend areas that we need to just crush in order to say any kind of real market reversal has come into play. Until that happens, well, enjoy the relief rally. I hope it goes much higher during this relief rally, but it is a relief rally until proven otherwise. By the way, if you want to trade some cryptocurrencies, I recommend doing it over on Bybit. You can long and short all the most popular coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, they got it all. They also have the 7th biggest spot markets in the world for a huge range of exotic altcoins. Use the link down below in the description to start your account. You get 30% off your trading fees and up to $4,100 in deposit bonuses. Anyway, guys, what do you think about the charts today? Is this uptrend going to continue? Are we going to hit $28,000 in the coming weeks or months? Maybe the Ethereum merge is going to provide enough of a bump to the markets to get us up there? Or are we getting ready for some more pain sooner than people expect? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.